Hello guys, welcome to the Manu Education. Now today's video is about the Maharashtra MCA for 2021. So guys, what are the updates with respect to the Maharashtra MCA Now the MHT CET is already declared the registration process date and even the last date. Now when will be the exam conducted? That's remaining guys. Now if you want a detailed info about all these particulars, guys, you have to visit the official website. But when I received the official website, guys, with respect to Maharashtra MCA अभी तक कोई भी updates नहीं है. But if we talk about the tender notice and all the relevant updates जो कि अब तक आए हैं guys, we can talk about the exam dates. Either exam will be held in the month of July or in the month of August as per Uday Sawant said. Now what will be the preparation material? अगर आपने preparation start कर दिया है, so guys, analyze yourself at which particular stage you are. कितना प्रिपरेशन बाकी है विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू द क्वांट, दैट इज नथिंग बट योर मैथ्स, विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू द लॉजिकल रीजनिंग, जनरल इंग्लिश एंड द कंप्यूटर कॉन्सेप्ट. So guys, watch this video till the end to get each and every detail about the exam activity and also where you will get the preparation materials. Then stay tuned with me. And guys, we have launched the batches for the MCA entrance such as the Maharashtra MCA CET and even for the NIMCET to get entered into the NITs. So if you are preparing for 2021, then you can join the crash course program, and even for 2022 and 23 you can join our live lecture. So in that you will get the live class, you will receive the books, you will learn very shortcut tricks, all doubts will be solved there. You will get access for the recorded videos, topic test, full length mock test, WhatsApp group will be made, so you can easily share all your doubts there. And throughout this period you will solve around 10,000 plus questions, and you will also get the mentorship by our exam mentors. So guys, what are you waiting for? Now only few days are remaining guys to get the latest update, to get the official update. But now you have to prepare for yourself guys. If you want to enter into the top colleges, dates के भरोसे मत रहो guys. Whatever the dates you got previously, guys, focus on that particular date. जुलाई और अगस्त, yes, अगस्त में अगर एग्जाम होगा, बस अगस्त में ही मुझे टॉप कॉलेज में जाने की तैयारी कर लेनी है. So preparation वैसा होना चाहिए guys. So what are you waiting for? Book your seat right now. Call on this number or you can visit our website manuaru.com/mcentrance. Now let's move to the main topic. What are the expected dates? Now when I compared all the tender notice and all the relevant updates and even the tweets, guys, I got these expected dates. So these are the tentative dates. Registration process start हो सकता है in the 3rd week of June, might be in the 4th week of June अगर extend हो जाए. Last date for registration will be the 3rd week of July. So guys, ये मान के चलो you will get only 1 month का period for the registration process, not more than this. Even for engineering, pharmacy and agriculture, they already decide about 1 month period for the registration process. Now admit card will be released in the 4th week of July, आप expect कर सकते हो. And Maharashtra MCA CET will be held in the 2nd week of August. Okay guys, अगर ये एग्जाम जल्दबाजी में करे गाइज, ओनली 1 मंथ का पीरियड रखे, देन योर एग्जाम विल बी कंडक्टेड ऑन द 2nd week of August. देयर आफ्टर रिजल्ट आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो इन द लास्ट वीक ऑफ अगस्त एंड कैप राउंड माइट बी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द मिड ऑफ सेप्टेम्बर. सो गाइज, प्रोसेस कुछ फास्ट होने वाला है. यू हैव टू फास्ट ऑन योर प्रिपरेशन ऑल्सो. सो दीज ऑल आर द टेंटेटिव डेट्स. नाउ गाइज, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द कॉम्पिटिशन, देन एवरी ईयर more than 15,000 plus candidates appear for the Maharashtra MCA CET in to get enter into those 193 colleges in Maharashtra. So guys, the number of seats are less, and see the number of aspirants. These are the number of colleges. Seat we can say that 9,000 to the 10,000 k. Okay, to 10,000 might be. Okay, we didn't got the exact figure, but we can assume this will be the seat intake. Now look at the number of aspirants guys. Okay, and this is of 2020. Those students who appeared for the exam, not the number of registered candidates. Okay guys, so these are the number of aspirants who appeared the exam, 15,350. And guys, again in 2021 it will be increased by 10 to 15%. Okay guys, so look at the competition and you have to very aware about that one particular seat जो आपका dream college. Okay, so we'll talk about the top colleges later. Now tell me, आपका preparation कितना हुआ with respect to quant, English, logical reasoning and the computer concept? How much preparation? Okay guys, 30, 20, 30 and 20. Overall 200 marks का paper है guys, and you have to target 140 plus to get into the top college guys, VGTI or SPIT. If you want to enter into that guys, 140 plus का target पकड़ के चलो, 120 to 130 plus का भी marks आ जाएगा, you will easily enter into that particular college. If you want a preparation for it, let's come at edu.com, then come to the buy online section, scroll down, and here it is, MC entrance. Now click on it. Guys, these all are the programs, the full course, sectional course, mock test, and the book study material. So click on full course show packages. Now if you are preparing for MCA 2021, guys, these all are the respective programs. Maharashtra MCCT 2021 program, in that you will get the video lectures, handouts, and the mock test. Just click on view details. 298 video lectures, 74 handouts, and the 20 full length mock test, guys. Now you can also enroll for the MCA Turbo 2021. Just click on view details. In that you will get the 290 video lectures, 84 handouts, more handouts for the practice purpose, and the 20 mock test. Thereafter, if you want a preparation for 2022, you can join this particular program, Maharashtra MCCT 2022. In that you will get video lectures, mock tests, 150 tests plus handouts. Okay guys, now again here it is, the MCA Turbo 2022 and 2023 program. So if you want to enroll for this, you can call on our online number, and you can also visit our website. Okay guys, now if you are lacking in any particular section, guys, you can join the section wise courses here for MCA Mathematics, for logical reasoning, for English, for critical reasoning. If you are preparing for NIM set, then guys, you can also enroll for this particular past paper with the solutions, the separate course for the computer concept, mathematics and statistics for 2022. These are the respective programs for the 2022. Okay guys, the sectional wise courses, logical reasoning, English, computer concepts, and the critical reasoning. Okay, so guys, just add to cart. If you want a detailed info about this, just click on the view details, or you can ask to our team, or just call on these particular numbers. Now guys, if you have prepared something and want to evaluate yourself, want to do the analysis part, just click on the mock test. You can enroll for the topic test and the full length mock test. So in topic test you will get 48 tests with respect to quant, with respect to logic you will get 62 tests, with respect to English you will get 22 tests. Now full length mock test, just click on view details, you will get 20 mock test here. Okay guys, so if you want a preparation as per your need, अगर आपका पूरा preparation हो चुका है guys, you can analyze yourself by giving the mock test. If you are lacking in any particular section, then sectional wise courses or the full courses for the pre-recorded one stuff, or 2022 or 23 के लिए preparation कर रहे हो, then you can interact live with us. Now book or study materials, if you want to enroll for the ebooks, then ebooks here. Okay guys, and if you want to order the books, then guys, you can order these books, quantitative aptitude, reasoning, and English. Now once order, it will be delivered within 7 working days at your doorstep. Okay guys, so these all are the respective packages. Now we'll talk about the top colleges you should target first. So guys, you should target these all top colleges. Very first one, the VGTI, Veer Mata Jijabai Technical Institute. Thereafter SPIT, Sardar Patel Institute of Technology, KJ Somaiya. Visit is there, Vivekanand Education Society's Institute of Technology. Thereafter SIES, South Indian Education Societies, the Institute of Management. You can also try for this one guys. So your dream should be to enter into these 5 particular institutes. Very first one guys. So which one? VJTI, then SPIT, KJ Somaiya, or the Vivekanand Education Institute. Okay guys, so thereafter you can target Vishwakarma Institute of Technology at Pune, Government College of Engineering at Aurangabad, MIT Pune, it is also the best college. Now Navi Chandra Mehta Mumbai, well known college guys. Sri Ramdev College at Nagpur, Bharati Vidyapit Navi Mumbai, Government College of Engineering Satara, Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, North Maharashtra University at Jalgaon, Viva College Virar, ASM IMCS Thane. This is also the best college guys. And SVSPMs, SVITM Udgi. So guys, these all are the top colleges. Mark this college as your dream college and start preparation according to this. Now if you want a preparation, you can call on these particular numbers, and you can also call on all these numbers. For all exam updates and the notifications, you can follow our social media handles such as the YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. So guys, all link I mentioned in the description, kindly check those links, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, because you will get latest updates on this particular channel with respect to all entrance exam. Okay guys, so that's it from the today's video. We'll see you in the next video with the latest update with respect to the MC entrance. Till then, bye bye.